Can we reverse aging? The truth about anti-aging science. Aging is not a disease, or is it? Think about it. Humans have reached the moon. Humans have built artificial intelligence. Humans have unlocked the genetic code and even edited it. But there's one thing we haven't conquered: aging. Look around you. Every living thing is aging. You, me, and every single person on this planet. But what if I told you aging is not inevitable? What if I told you that scientists are already working on ways to reverse it? Can we turn an 80-year-old into a 25-year-old again? Can we pause aging like a movie? Can we control time itself? Or is this just science fiction? Today, we're diving deep into the science of aging, groundbreaking research, and futuristic possibilities that could redefine human life itself. So sit tight, because what you're about to hear will challenge everything you know about life and time. Aging, the greatest unsolved mystery. Before we talk about reversing aging, let's ask the fundamental question: why do we age? Why do our bodies weaken over time? Why does hair turn white, skin wrinkle, and energy levels drop? For centuries, people believed aging was natural and unavoidable. But today, scientists see aging as something more, a biological process that we might be able to control. Here's what we know: telomere shortening, the biological countdown timer. Every time a cell divides, it copies its DNA. But there's a problem. Our DNA has protective caps at the ends called telomeres. With every division, these telomeres get shorter. Eventually, they become too short and the cell stops dividing. This is one of the biggest reasons why we age. Mitochondrial decline. The energy crisis inside you. Mitochondria are the power plants of your cells. They generate energy, but over time they break down, leading to fatigue, muscle loss, and aging. Cellular senescence, the rise of zombie cells. Some old cells don't die when they should. Instead, they become zombie cells. They refuse to function properly, but they also refuse to die. Worse, they release harmful substances that damage nearby healthy cells, accelerating aging. Epigenetic changes, the miscommunication problem. Your genes are like a giant instruction manual. But as we age, the on-off switches of our genes malfunction. This creates chaos in the body and speeds up aging. All of these factors work together, making us weaker, slower, and more vulnerable to disease. But now comes the exciting part. What if we could hack this system? The science breakthrough number 2, NAD+ therapy, the secret energy fuel ever. Wonder why young people are full of energy while older people feel tired all the time? The answer lies in a molecule called NAD+, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. NAD+ is like a fuel for your cells. It repairs DNA and keeps your metabolism running. As we age, NAD+ levels drop dramatically, leading to fatigue, muscle weakness, and disease. Harvard scientist David Sinclair discovered that when old mice were given NAD+ supplements, their lifespan increased by 30%. Imagine if humans could do the same. This could be one of the most powerful anti-aging tools of the future. Breakthrough number 3, CRISPR gene editing, the DNA God mode. Now, let's talk about one of the most powerful tools in modern science. CRISPR. CRISPR is a gene editing tool that allows scientists to modify DNA with extreme precision. Scientists are already using CRISPR to treat progeria, a rare premature aging disease. If we can use CRISPR to edit genes related to aging, we might be able to slow down or even halt the aging process. But here's the ultimate question: can humans become immortal? Future scenarios: can humans live forever? If anti-aging research continues at this pace, we could see a world where people live beyond 200 years. Sounds impossible? Let's explore 3 futuristic scenarios. Scenario number 1, digital immortality, uploading consciousness to the cloud. Elon Musk and other scientists are developing brain-machine interfaces that could one day allow us to upload our memories and consciousness to a computer. Imagine a future where, even after your body dies, your mind continues to exist in a digital form. Would you want to live forever in a virtual world? Scenario number 2, stem cell therapy, regenerating the human body. Imagine a future where every organ in your body can be replaced using your own stem cells. If your heart gets weak, just grow a new one. If your kidneys fail, just grow a fresh pair. Scientists are already working on growing new organs using stem cells. If successful, organ failure could become a thing of the past. Scenario number 3, cryonics, freezing time itself. Right now, some people are freezing their bodies using cryonics, hoping that future technology will bring them back to life. Will this actually work? Only time will tell. Final verdict: is aging reversible? Right now, science is discovering powerful ways to slow down aging. But full reversal is still a challenge. However, if scientific progress continues, we may one day be able to hack aging itself. Now let me ask you, if you had the option to stay young for 200 years, would you take it? Or would you prefer to accept nature's cycle? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this podcast, like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for our next mind-blowing episode. See you soon.